So this topic is about the plate tectonics. Basically, plate tectonics explain the Earth's surface changes. Earth crust is broken into the plates, so plates are flat on semi-molten mantles. Plates move slowly over the time, so their movements shapes continents. So, what are the layers of the earth? There are basically the five different layers of the earth. The first one is the crust, which is the outer solid layer. The second one is the mantles, which is the semi molten layer. The third one is the core, which is extremely hot center. The fourth one is the plates are part of the crust and mantles, and the fifth one is the heat causes plate motions. So the tectonics plates are a large rigid rock pieces that float on mantles. It's moved to 2 to 10 centimeters per year. So the shape Earth's surface cause the natural events. The major plates such as the Pacific plates, the African plates, the Eurasian plates, Indo-Australian plates and the Antarctic plates. These are the major plates throughout the world. Why plates move? Basically, heat from the earth core causes the convection current, which rising the hot material and sinking the cold material, and push and pull forces will be occur during the plate movement. What are the plate boundaries? Basically, there are different plate boundaries such as the divergent, convergent, transform, different plate motions, and control land forms. What are the divergent boundaries? Basically, it is the plates move apart, magma rise upward, so the new crust will be formed and then create the ridges. For example, the middle Atlantic ridges are the example of the divergent boundaries of the tectonic plates. Second one is the convergent boundaries, such as the plates collides, causing the crust folds upward and the mountains will be formed. So the earthquake occurs, for example, Himalayas are the example of the convergent boundaries of the tectonics plate. The third one is the transform boundary, such as the plates slides sideways, causing the crust not destroy, and the pressure will be built. That is, the sudden earthquake will be observed. So, what is the example? There are some San Andreas faults are the example of the transform boundaries of the tectonics plates. So now we define the earthquake. Basically, it is the sudden ground shaking caused by the plate movement, which is the release of the energy causing the damage property and risk to the life. The volcanoes, but for example, opening in earth crust, lava will be erupted and the ash and gases will be released. It occur at the boundaries and forming the new land. Mountains formation, for example, these plates will be collide and crust bends upward, fold the mountains to be formed. It takes the millions of the years to mountain formation. For example, Alps are the examples of the mountains formations. Continental drift. What is the continental drift? For example, it is proposed by the Wagners, which is the continental's X joints called the Pangaea, which plates slowly move and the lands will be separate from the each other. What are the evidence? For example, matching the coastlines, having the similar fossils, same rock layers, earthquake zones will be observed, and the volcano belts will be observed. Pakistan and the plates. For example, near the Indian plates, it has been observed which have the collides and erosion types. The earthquake here will be open. For example, in Kashmir 2005, northern areas are very much risky for the plates tectonics behavior. What are the importance of these plates? They can predict the disasters, help in mining, oil and gas explorations, explain the earth history and improve the safety of the life. So what is the advantages of these plates? They can be fertile lands, causing the mineral resources, having the new land formations, natural beauties and the rich landscapes will be observed. What are the disadvantages? There may be the earthquakes will be occur, volcanic activity will be observed, tsunamis, loss of life, and the property will become damaged. So, as a concluding marks, plates constantly move and causing the shape of the earth's surface. It caused the natural events which is important to understand, and it helped to protect the life in the earth. Thank you so much.